Hi, today we're going to practice reading. This is for beginners. You may also join me as I read at the same time. You can also answer the questions. Ready? Sam is mad. Who is mad? Her bag is pink. What color is her bag? I am at the park. Where am I? We are at school. Where are we? The tree is tall. What is tall? There are 10 cups. How many cups are there? Mom is cooking. What is Mom doing? The baby is sleeping. Who is sleeping? Rita is my name. What is my name? Ben is in Canada. Where is Ben? We are reading. What are we doing? He hides under the table. Where did he hide? Her dress is new. What is new? Tim has a pet dog. Who has a pet dog? Joy hangs the wet towel. What did Joy hang? Max sat on a chair. Who sat on a chair? Ted and Tin are praying. Who are praying? The boy is taking a bath. What is the boy doing? Anna hugs me. Who hugs me? Dad got a gift. Who got a gift? The pen is red. What is red? The duck says quack. What is the sound of the duck? My brother gives me a map. What did my brother give me? Grandpa loves me. Who loves me? The cat is on the mat. Where is the cat? The sun is far and hot. What is far and hot? My dad is busy at work. Who is busy? Max loves to eat corn. What does he love to eat? I have a purple wig. What is purple? Keep it up, kids. You're doing fine. We're going to continue practicing on my next video. So, bye for now. See you.